China is a major business and trade partner for our country. So we are here to strengthen our business relation with our Chinese counterpart, as well as learning from each other and exploring the mutual opportunities that Saudi companies and Chinese company can collaborate together, whether in Saudi Arabia or in China. I can see there is different opportunities that can be utilized by both nations in terms of manufacturing, mining, health sector, as well as agriculture.
China is well known in the high tech. I like the Chinese innovative solutions, and I'm personally inspired with the Chinese advancement on the advanced manufacturing and the additive manufacturing. I have been visiting many companies before the conference related to the robotics, the 3D printing, and to the semiconductors as well. And they are great, and they show a great potential to have an added capabilities to Saudi Arabia. And in Saudi Arabia, we are opening our market for such great companies who will have footprint